Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Wallpaper Engine. Open it from the system tray or Steam. Once the app is running, make sure it updated to the latest version so features behave predictably. You now need the asset, either a local image/video or a Steam Workshop ID. Keep that ready. While you prepare, check that Windows Screensaver is enabled if you plan to use a static image as a screensaver. This ensures the system will actually display what you configure next. Once you've got the asset, click Installed or Workshop and pick the wallpaper you want. You'll see property panels. Adjust position, looping, and audio so the visual behaves correctly. These settings control how the wallpaper looks and uses resources. Then open Performance and choose a preset that matches your hardware, because that affects battery and CPU load. Make sure pause on full screen is enabled so games aren't interrupted, and verify playback works in the preview before moving on to screensaver settings. You're almost done. Go to Wallpaper Engine Settings, General, and enable the screensaver option. This connects Wallpaper Engine to Windows idle behavior. Then, pick the exact wallpaper to use as the screensaver and set the idle timeout value so it activates when you intend. Save your changes and test immediately by using the Preview Screensaver button or letting the system idle. If it doesn't start, check Windows Power and Lock Screen policies. Sometimes corporate or group policies block custom screensavers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.